Okay, now that we've got our part, our vertical part, what we call our wall, created, let's go ahead and go over to our assembly and let's call that file up. So I'm going to switch over to my assembly right here, and I'm going to place this file in that assembly. So I'll come up here to Insert, and what it's going to do is go back and look in that same directory where I had the two base parts put in, and I'll go ahead and insert this particular part right here. So I can put it just about anywhere I want. I think in this case I'm going to go ahead and place it here, and what I'm going to do is rotate this kind of up and around so I can see the other side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and grab that face, and as I grab that face or select that face, my pop-up menu comes up, and I'll select Mate, and I'll turn back around here and I'll select the face of that vertical wall, and I'll accept that. So I'll go ahead and accept that mate, and then while I'm at it, I'm at this part right here, I'll go ahead and select that face as well, and then zoom up here and select this face. So those two are actually now coincident and mated. Now I'll roll out with my middle mouse wheel on my mouse, and I'll rotate up and I'll grab the bottom of the first floor, and I'll select it, and I'll grab this part right here and pull that. And so now you can kind of get an idea, I'll accept this here, you can kind of get an idea as to how this thing mechanically will go together. Your two pocket screws will go into this part right here and seat against that. You'll put tight bond glue or some type of wood glue down between the two faces, so you get a really nice tight fit. So now what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and hit the F key to center what I got, and let's go ahead and place another vertical wall in to form the sides of our bookends. So come back up here to Insert, go back to bookend vertical wall, place it here, just put it out there so I can see it. So now it's in the file. I'll come over here and I'll select that face, and I'll mate it to this face, and obviously it's not going in the direction we want, so we'll go ahead and we'll rotate that around. So now we know these two faces are coincident and they're mated, so we'll go ahead and select that. And at this time I can do an edge mate where I grab that one edge there and I can mate it to this edge here, and they'll slip around, and that's good. So I'll accept that. So that's a different kind of mate. I can also say grab that edge there and grab, let's go ahead and do that again. I'll select deselect, I'll grab this, pop-up menu comes up, grab that, and I'll grab this edge here, and now those two parts are actually mated. So they're mated once I hit the accept button, of course. So now they're mated. Let's do the F key to see what we got. Oh wow, that looks pretty good. That's looking just like what we wanted to design. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a set that to maybe that's diametric, of course. Let's try trimetric, see what that looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So go ahead and save our file, and then we'll come back and start drawing the steel parts that are going to sit on top of our bookends.